Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Cracked Garry's mod online. First, you'll need to acquire a stable, cracked version of the game. It's crucial to ensure all game files are present and undamaged to avoid issues. Additionally, install any required software like DirectX or Visual C++ redistributables, which are often bundled or linked with the game download. This foundational step is vital for a smooth experience. Next, to connect with friends, you'll typically use a virtual LAN client such as Hamachi or Radmin VPN. These programs create a private network, allowing your computer to appear as if it's on the same local network as your friends. Join an existing network or create a new one, then get the server's IP address and port from the host. Once you have the server details, launch Garry's mod. Press the tilde key, usually located below the escape key, to open the developer console. In the console, type connect followed by the server's IP address and port number, like connect 192, 168, 127,015. Press enter, and the game will attempt to connect you to the server. If you encounter problems, first check your firewall to ensure it isn't blocking Garry's mod or your virtual LAN client. All players must have precisely the same cracked game version to connect successfully. Also, many servers require specific content packs. Download these beforehand to prevent connection errors or missing textures. Patience and careful setup are key.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.